We're Team C, Team Cobalt, and my name is Neil. Try it again. Is that better? Good evening, everyone. We're Team C, Team Cobalt. My name is Leo Grenier. I'm from Sakosho and Associates, and I'm one of the mentors for the group. I'd like to introduce the rest of the mentors. We have Ron Stevenson, Scott Winkler, Tammy Hughes, and Mike McNulty. Right now, I'm going to hand this over to Randy, and he's going to take you through our program.
Hi, my name is Randy Mays. I'm from high school. See, our project is about affordable housing under the system line. It's a neighborhood traditional housing that establishes some connection to the community. The project house also needed a strong public forum to engage community interaction and the way of organization. You can see the building also has a private backyard, even though it is located on a corner lot by basement of the house and garage. And also, as you can see there, is this part of the house has the main elevation that faces south, allowing the living room to get the north sun.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jonathan Gill, I attend the Met, and I will be talking about the floor plan. So as you can see, our floor plan is very simple. So we have a top to bottom floor plan, and as you can see, it's the same design. So the reason we chose the design is affordable, since it is the same design. Plumbing would be cheaper, well, affordable. Also, it will be, oh sorry. And also, since it is top to bottom floors, the first floor will make it easier for elders or handicapped to really move around and get comfortable. As shown on the wall section, our ceilings are 8 feet. Both. I'm sorry. So I was just talking about, really go through the floor plan. So our house starts off as entering in the entry. Something I really like about the entry is we have a nice big window, which really sets light throughout the whole house, since there isn't like a wall stopping or separating the home. We have one master bedroom and 2 regular bedrooms. We have a bath and an open kitchen with the dining area, which is has a lot of space since a lot of families really spend their time in the kitchen area. So that's something that's good. Something else that's really good about having the same design is that, let's say if design was a different plan, let's say if the kitchen or the living area was on the opposite side and that floor plan was the same. Let's say the first floor was throwing a party and I was sleeping, that would be very distracting. So. That's one thing about it. And now I would pass it to
Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel, and when we first designed the house, we didn't want the house to stick out from the rest of the neighborhood too much. We wanted it to sort of blend in. And we, as you can see in our elevation, we kept sort of a common style to really help blend the house into the rest of the community. And when we designed it, we also didn't want to keep it exactly the same as the rest of the houses. So what we did was put a small balcony on the second floor and like a small porch on the first floor. And this really helped give it its own appeal and give it its own look, apart from the rest of the community. And we put a decent amount of windows on the house. We didn't want to put too many windows because we know that people like their privacy. They don't necessarily want people to be living inside their house all the time. And this all started with the walls, the building section, which is to the top. And the building section just shows the house cut in half. And we have the bedrooms on the sides, you can see. And we also did a wall section. And the wall section shows
Randy mentioned earlier, one of our main goals for this project was making it environmentally friendly. The green aspects of our house design include spray foam installation, triple pane windows and doors, an energy-efficient heating system, and using energy-efficient appliances which are designed to use less energy. Even though green products may cost more upfront, the homeowner's utility bills will be less every month. This plays a big part in the affordability aspect of our plan. Other things we used in our design was the use of native plants which require less water, pervious asphalt for the driveway which keeps water on site, and composite decking made from recycled materials. We also use paints and carpets on homes that have a low VOC content and is considered green. The 8-foot ceilings, as Jonathan and Emmanuel mentioned earlier, uses less materials compared to, say, a 9-foot ceiling and creates less space for the homeowner to heat and cool. And lastly, the fact that we are building on a previous site is also beneficial for the environment because we're not going out there and cutting down trees and making a new site for a new home. With that note, I want to thank you for listening to our presentation and also thank our mentors for helping us throughout the whole design process.